Welcome to our beard trimmer showdown. Today we are comparing two popular grooming tools, the MANSCAPED, the Beard Hedger, and the SHPAVVER Beard Trimmer 12IN1. We'll dive into their unique features, performance metrics, and help you decide which one is the right fit for your grooming needs. Let's get started. When it comes to price, the MANSCAPED The Beard Hedger is priced at $99, while the SHPAVVER Beard Trimmer comes in at a more budget-friendly $56.99. This makes the SHPAVVER a more attractive option for those looking for a versatile grooming tool without breaking the bank. The MANSCAPED The Beard Hedger is designed specifically for beard trimming, offering precision with its zoom wheel and stainless steel T-blade. In contrast, the SHPAVVER Beard Trimmer is a 12-in-1 grooming kit that includes multiple attachments for various grooming needs, making it a versatile choice for users looking to manage their entire grooming routine. Battery life is another critical factor. The MANSCAPED The Beard Hedger offers up to 60 minutes of runtime, while the SHPAVVER Beard Trimmer boasts an impressive 90 minutes. This extended battery life allows for more grooming sessions without the need for frequent recharging, making the SHPAVVER a more convenient option for users on the go. In conclusion, both the MANSCAPED The Beard Hedger and the SHPAVVER Beard Trimmer have their strengths. The MANSCAPED offers specialized precision for beard enthusiasts, while the SHPAVVER provides versatility and value for those seeking an all-in-one grooming solution. Choose the one that best fits your grooming needs, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.